Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we will talk about how to create and use Travelpayouts affiliate account. So let me take you to the website, which is travelpayouts.com. Now, for the ones who don't know what is Travelpayouts, Travelpayouts is a travel-focused affiliate network that enables individuals and businesses to earn commission by promoting travel-related products and services. It allows website owners, bloggers, and other affiliates to monetize their platform by partnering with various travel-related companies. As an affiliate, you can join Travel Payouts and access a wide range of travel-related affiliate programs through a single platform. Now, to give you an example, are you a travel niche affiliate? If yes, have you ever thought of having a platform where you can just interact with travel-related brands and just, apply to the program and promote them? Wouldn't that be amazing? Well, Travel Payouts makes it possible. They indeed provide a platform exactly like that. So through their platform, you can join them as an affiliate and apply to all these amazing brands related to travel and promote them. So you can come to the website directly to travelpayouts.com, or you can click on the link in the video description, which will directly take you to the website. Over here, you can learn about them, exactly, what they're offering to the affiliates and why you want to join them. So if you look at here, not just any travel affiliate program, so they are trying to say here that they have paid over $53 million to their partners since 2011. Now, that is something. They're trying to say that they got 120 trusted travel brands. Well, last time I checked, it was somewhere between 60 and 70, but it could be possible. Some of their brands could be private and we might not be able to see them as of now, but down the line, we may end up seeing even more than what is available as of now. Then they're saying that they have paid over 13 million US dollars to the partners in just 2022. That's great. And then they are saying that they got over 395,000 travel bloggers who love them for what they're providing. And then if you scroll down, you can even see more, what they're offering to the affiliates out there. Now, how do you create an affiliate account with them? Simply scroll up and click on Join Us. When you do that, it will take you to the registration form. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is to enter your email address and show whatever email address you're entering here, you should have access to it because you will get an activation email in that email address. So I'm going to enter mine. And then you have to enter your password as well. Just ensure the password should meet this criteria. And once you've entered the password, simply click on create account. And when you do that, it will create an affiliate account for you on the Travel Payouts platform, and it will allow you to use all the features and applications that's available on the dashboard. And it's going to take a few seconds. As you can see, it's generating the account. Once that's done, you will see a pop-up, but it will ask you for more information. So it will ask you, it will say, hi there, how did you hear about Travel Payout? So you can just tell them, since you are listening about it from this video, you could say social media, and then you could mention the social media name. So from here, you can select YouTube, since you're hearing it or watching the video, and then you can click on submit. And once you have done it, then you can read the other question, which is what brings you to Travel Payouts. We will personalize your experience. So over here, they're trying to say, you can select any of these options, like do you have a blog, a website, or other resource, or you don't have a blog or site yet. So think of it this way. Since you're watching this video, it's highly likely that you might already have a website, blog, or social media account, let's say Facebook, Instagram account, where you plan to promote these travel-based brands, isn't it? So in that case, you can click here. But if you don't have, you don't even have a social media account, then you should go with this. So let's go with this one. I have a blog, website, or other resource. When you do that, then it will ask you to describe your website or channel. So you can click on project. Just click on create project button, and then it will ask you to choose from this. Now, the first option is content creation, booking travel for clients or other. So are you trying to book for a client of yours, or is that your business model? If yes, then you should go with that. Now, if you are a content creator, let's say if you got a website, a blogger, or a social media page, which could be a Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, a YouTube channel, whatever, so you could go with this. If you're none of these, then you should go with this one. But in our case, we should be going with content creation, because in affiliate marketing, of course, you have to be content creator most of the time, isn't it? Now, over here, you can choose whether you plan to promote brands. That's very important because, see, creating a project is like whatever channels you got, you're creating, or you're adding information about it. So for each of your channel, that means, let's say if you got a website, you got a blog, and you got a YouTube channel, so you should be creating 3 different projects. In here, we're only creating one, so you should only be putting the information about one. But let's say you got a website which is travelresources.com. If you got that website, you can tick mark here, enter the URL. Then what if you got a social media page about it too, like a Facebook page? So you can click here, you can enter the Facebook URL as well. So that's an option. You could do that if you got a website and the social media accounts are related to that. Otherwise, if they're all different than others, then you should be creating multiple projects. But let's assume we only got one website of ours or one social media account. You can select it accordingly and enter the information. So in my case, let's say I have a dummy website. So I'm going to mention it here. In your case, don't put the dummy website. It will not be possible for you to get the approval if you do that. In your case, if you got the website or blog, add it here. Otherwise, just uncheck it and check whatever is more related to you and add the information accordingly. And then you can click on next. Here, it will ask you what's your audience and content like. So content language, you can select from here. For me, it's English. I'm going to select this. You can even select multiple, for example, English and French. If like, we can uncheck it too, but I'm just going to keep it English. And then average monthly viewers as well, you can click here and select. And you have to be accurate here, because if you're thinking that they might not go and check your channel, then you would be wrong, because they will definitely check whatever information you're putting it here. So integrity is the best thing to keep in mind. So here I'm just going to mention between 5,000 to 10,000. Now I know, since I'm creating this video for just the education purpose, that's why I'm adding it. In your case, ensure you add it accurately. Then comes target country. So what's your target country, or rather from where exactly your audience are? So you could select here, and let's say if I got the most of my audience from United States of America and Canada, I can just select these. What if I got the audience from everywhere? Then I can select all. In your case, you could do that as well. So here you're trying to show to the brands that I got people from all around the world. If not, then just select the countries. And once you have added these 3 information, simply click on next, and then it will ask you that you have to give a name to your project. As I say, don't get confused with the word project. It simply means it's an online channel of yours and whatever the name is. So I'm going to just say FMC affiliate marketing. So this is the name of my channel, or rather the project. And once you have given the name for yourself, for your own website, blog, or whatever project that you're creating here, once you've given the name, just click on Save Project. When you do that, it will basically add all these information that you have given, and you will get this confirmation message. You created a project, FMC affiliate marketing, and you can simply click on close. So whatever name you would have given, you will see this message like this. You can simply click on close. When you do that, you would be able to see the dashboard, or rather affiliate dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands, apply to them, get approval and all that. But we will go with the structure, because the purpose of the video is for you to know about Travelpayouts dashboard and to use it to the full extent. So we will start with the main section. I would rather call it the home page. When you log in, you will directly be here. You can otherwise click main and you would come here. And we will start with the first thing that you see on the top left-hand side, that's balance. Now, this would be the balance, that basically the commission that is accumulated in your Travelpayouts account. And then it will say to receive payouts, you should activate your account. So our account is created on Travelpayouts at this moment, but we have to activate it. For that, we have to click on this, activate your account, and then we will get this confirmation. An email has been sent. Please click the activation link provided. So as I said, when we were creating the sign up, we had to give the email address that we have access to. So whatever email address you have given, you have to log into the email account and you will see the email there. So this is my email account, and this would be the email like this you would receive. I can click here and show you're clicking on the latest email. See, there are 2 emails. One, this is the email when I initiate the registration, and this is the second email that I got when I click on activate the account. So ensure you're clicking on the latest email, and when you click on the email, you have to see it happened 6 minutes ago. Now I don't want to click on this because this is an old email, so I have to go to the new one. So this is the new one which just arrived 0 minutes ago. I can click here and I can click on verify email. Same way you have to do. The problem is if you try to click on the previous email, then it won't work. So you have to click on the verify email from the new email. So when you do that, it will just verify that this email address indeed belongs to you, and it will then redirect you back to the dashboard. Then you will see this message: success, your account is now confirmed and activated. Awesome. So now you got yourself an active travel payouts affiliate account. So over here, now you will see to receive payouts, you have to add payment details. That is what we will talk later. So let's look at the right hand side. So we got the blog and we got the help. So you can click on blog and this will take you to the blog of travel payouts. You can come here, you can learn all about them, all the blog posts they did. That's amazing. It's great to know. And then you can also go to the help center. Now, what is help center? I would say help center of travel payout is friend to you, because whatever questions you got in relation to their affiliate dashboard, you would be able to find the answer in here. Like you see all these sections, you can explore or probably write your question in here and search, you would see the answer. Not just that, if you have any question for the travel payouts support team, you can click on submit a request, and then it will show you some options that you can choose from. Otherwise, you can also initiate the request. So it will take some time when you click on it. And as you can see, these are options. And if you don't find the answer from any here, or if you just initiate directly, you can click on ask a question. It will open a pop-up, just select the topic and enter the details, the prompted details, and click on submit. So this way your request would go to the support team of travel payouts, and they would reach out to you via an email, the same to the same email account that you have submitted. So this is how you can explore the help section of theirs or reach out to the support team. Then comes the create a link. Now this is an amazing feature that we will talk about later, because if I try to click on it now, it won't work. There's a reason behind it, and we will talk about it in a few minutes. But how about this one? So you see, this is a unique ID that is unique to you only and to your account. So you will see it here, and when you hover over here, you would see these options. So you got light mode. So if you are not a fan of dark mode, you can click here and it will turn your dashboard to the light mode. Then you got logout. You know what happens when you click on it. Then comes if for a program. Now, this is amazing, and we're going to talk about it in a few seconds as well. Then you got my projects. So let's talk about it. My projects, and then you got profile as well. So before we talk about my projects, let's talk about profile, because this is very important. So you can click on profile. Now what this will do, this will take you to your profile section. Over here, you would see your email address, and as you can see, it was confirmed because I clicked on it. So when you would have clicked on verify email button from the email, then you will see this as well. And not just that, you have to enter your details as well, because when you apply to the affiliate programs later down the line, it's important that you add your first name in here, last name, your birth date, and then country of residence. You can also select CS version. So basically CS version of the dashboard is more secure. So you can tick mark it and you can save changes as well. Though like it did not prompt to add this information, but I highly recommend that you add the information in these sections. And once you're done with it, you can click on save changes, and then comes the subscriptions. So do you want to get program updates, new blog articles, webinar announcement, other useful materials? If yes, you click on change settings and update your subscription from there. And then you have an option to delete an account whenever you decide to leave them, which won't be the case since they're amazing, but still you can click on delete account and leave them anytime you decide. Then if you scroll up, you would see your project. Now it doesn't matter if you hover here and if you click on my projects, or if you directly come to profile and if you click on projects, it will take you to the same place. Over here, you would be able to see your projects that you created initially when you created an account. But that's not all. You have an option to create new project again. You can simply click on create project, and it will ask you almost the same information. So let's say if you got multiple websites, you could create multiple projects, meaning multiple channels for multiple websites. So this way you can start creating project. And what if you want to delete a projects that already exist here? Simply click on this pencil sign. You have when you click on this pencil sign, you have an option to edit any information that you have given about the project. You can also click on archive, which is equivalent to deleting it. It's just the information would stay if you want to refer to it in the future. Then you can click on back to my projects, and over here you would see show archive projects. So any projects that you have archived, also, as I say, deleted, you can click on show archive project and you would see it here. For more information, you can click here and learn about it. Then delegate access. Let's say you got yourself a travel payouts account, but you want to delegate it some of the tasks to someone from your team. Then you can come to the section, you can click on add delegate and provide them the access. Put the email address in here, select the role, manage your virtual assistant, and as you can see, the role information varies like this. And then you can click on add delegate. So it's basically creating multiple users of your account, and it varies in permission. So that's how you can add users, and these people would be able to log into your account and do all this stuff that you select them to do. All right, so that's what with the profile section. As I say, my program will take you to the same section. We just looked at here. Then let's go back to the home page once again. Over here, once you're done with the profile section, you get to see these 3 steps to kickstart your travel payouts journey. First, you create a project. It's your superpower that lets you connect to the program quickly. Okay, we did it. Then comes we have to explore brand, and third is we have to take the links and we have to start promoting the brands. These 2 things we will talk about. If you scroll down, you get to see your performance, like for today, yesterday, for the month, for the past month as well. You can use filter as well. And if you look at the right hand side, you got this amazing thing, which is promote travel payouts and earn 7% on all revenue made by your referrers for 2 years. Now, this is amazing. Think of it this way. You started promoting travel payouts to your friends, and they become part of travel payouts. They started generating commission. So whatever they will generate for 2 years, you're gonna get 7% of it. So it's amazing. Now, how do you participate in this program? For that, you can simply click on invite, and this is your tracking links that you can use. Simply just copy this link and share it with your people out there, your audience. And when these audience would promote travel payouts, guess what? You will start getting 7% of whatever commission they will generate. And not just that, you can click on add sub ID, and you can also track it by unique sub IDs. For example, let's say if I got a website, a social media account, so I can add a sub ID like website and observe. So it got updated here. So this way, if I'm going to share this link on my website, and if I'm going to share this link with .youtube on YouTube, so whenever referral would come, I could run report and I could see from where exactly I'm getting more referrals. So if you want to track it like this way, you could do it. And if you don't want to do it, just remove this part and it should work. And the best way, just click on add sub ID, remove this part, and it should work. Then you have an option to copy link directly from here. You can directly share on social media from here, like Facebook and Twitter. Then if you see how it works, share your referral link. Everyone who registered via this link will become your referrer, and you earn 7% of the revenue for 2 years. That's great. What is allowed, you can place them in your channel, and you can promote them in ad networks as well. What is prohibited, you cannot use them as in contextual advertising for promotion, for example, Google Ads being one. So just be careful about it. Okay, so that's with the referral program of travel payouts. Then you got blogs and news, so you can explore this section. Now, what about programs? How can we find them and how can we apply to them? So you have to click on programs, and when you do that, you would be within this search section. So you see there are 2, this search and then this tick mark sign. So once you are in the search section, you can search for the affiliate program by the name. And we got amazing brands in here: Cheaper Errol, Way, Booking.com, then Wild Tour, Get Your Guide. So these are all the big brands in the travel industry, isn't it? So you have an option to search by name if you prefer. Currently, we can see 62 programs on the website that are showing 120. Probably some brands might be hidden from our eyes, and we'll probably get the access to them later down the line. Who knows? So you can even search the programs by these tags. For example, you want to promote the brands who are involved in travel and buses services. You could search them accordingly. Then what if you want to find the brands which are open for you? Because all these brands, some of them don't allow social media promotion, some of them don't allow website promotion. Since I have given my website in here, I can click here and you would see out of 62 how many are open to work for me. Well, everyone. And that's the thing. If you got a website or blog, most of the brands would prefer you to join the affiliate program. Of course, you should meet other criteria as well. But if you have a social media account, you can probably select your project from here, and you would only see some reduced number. So once you find the program in here, you can see which one is more suited for you, and then you can see more details. For example, over here you can see their name, their summary, what they're offering. So 4% from booking.com. And then if you scroll down from Viator, you're gonna get 8%. Now, what if you want to have more information? For that, you can click on details for any brand that you like, and you will be able to see more information. Like they are providing this commission rate, and then you can read through it. Terms of joining, pre-approval is required. That means when you apply to them, they're going to review whether you're a good fit for them or not. So whatever information you have given as project, they will see whether you're a good fit, and based on that, they will either approve you or they will decline you. And when you get the approval, you can promote them, and then you can also read through it to have a better understanding. They also say like what languages do they support. Then geo-targeting, they're targeting worldwide, so it will give an idea. And then this is amazing as well. They let you see what kind of affiliates do they want. So booking.com only one website, say. So if you would have a project with social media, you might not even see, or probably if you try to apply to booking.com, the application won't even go. So that's why, when you're searching for the brand, you should select your project as the selection in the program section, so you would know whether which program is more suited for you. So once you have read it all, let's say you want to apply it, then what can you do? Simply click on connect to program, and ensure you have tick mark I accept the terms from here, and then you can simply click on request to connect. You also have an option here. Don't have the right project, you can click on create, and it will take you from creating the project steps once again. Otherwise, all the projects that you have created within your affiliate account, Travelpayer affiliate account, you will see them listed in here. For me, it's only one, so I'm just going to click on request to connect. When I do that, I'll get this. It's asking me to check whether I meet this criteria. I can read it, and if I feel like yes, I can click on all good. In your case, you can also do that, and then it will give me this message. You send the request to connect. So they will take up to 2 business days to see whether I'm a good fit for them or not, and they will give me the approval thereafter, or probably reject. Then I can click on back to connection, and it will take me here. I can just cross it. My application to them is already gone, and I can see the information here, the question review. But what if I want to reach out to them? I can simply click on ask a question, and then it will redirect me further. I can ask more question if I like. So this way I can even contact the brand's affiliate program team who is going to review my application, and I can write something to them if I want. Same way you can do that. But why to wait for them? Wouldn't that be great if we get the approval from some brands right away? That would be great, isn't it? For that, you can go to programs, and you can look for this sign, instant connection sign. So you see which program have instant connection even way away. So let's talk about Aralo, and you want to be part of them, and you will want to get the instant approval. For that, you can click on details, and they're providing 12%. That's good. You can read it all, and they're fine with almost everyone except for media buying. See, then you can read the partnership agreement. Click here and read the agreement, and click on connect to program. It will again ask you to select your available project. You can click on connect, and then you're going to get the confirmation you're connected to the Arrow program. See how amazing it is. You didn't have to wait for the approval, and you will get the confirmation in here. And when you get the approval, let's say you started promoting them, you can always you would be able to find them. You can click on programs, and you can click on this tick mark, and you would be able to find them listed in here. So in our case, we can see it here. And over here, if you have multiple projects, you can filter it out. Like, see, when you apply to the brand, you're going to get approval for that specific project, and you're only allowed to promote the brand in that project. So you would be able to filter it out from here. For example, if I click here, it will search for only those programs which have approved this website of mine. Now, what if I want to get more information? I can simply click on this card which was showing for this brand. Over here, I again can see all this information, but I can click on statistics to see like my performance with them. So summary means, whatever my performance with them. And if I click on action, so for example, if someone bought something, either service or the product, I would be able to see it in here within action. So that's what they mean by action. So action could be sell, could be the purchase of subscription, or could be hotel booking or something. So I would be able to see in here. Then comes tools. So I can go to tools, and over here I would be able to see different things, such as I can create my link, and it's so easy. See, create a deep link, and tracking link. Because when you are part of Travel Payouts, you can't just promote, you can't just take link of the brand directly from the website and promote them. You have to create your tracking link. For that, just put any link from the brand's website. In our case, Arolo. So you can go to the website, take any link, put the link in here, and it will automatically create tracking link. So let's say if this is the web page of Arolo, then it's automatically, the moment I put test in here, it automatically created also the link. I can simply copy it and start promoting them. So let me remove this part. And as you can see, it got updated. So I can copy it and I can start promoting them. I can even use sub ID if I want. That's an extra added unique ID within tracking link for more reporting purpose later on. Then you can click on show full link and it will show full link as well. If you click like uncheck this, you will only be getting the shortened link. Then you can read more information. Then you got the banner links as well. So if you click on banners, now banners are basically generally they are the images. So you would see the image and that you can integrate on your website. And this is the link code. Now these are HTML link code. Why would you need banner? Because you want to integrate it on your website or blog, isn't it? So you could just take this link code and integrate it at the back end of your blog or website and promote them like this. Totally up to you. Then comes the news. So you can read about news for this brand, Arlo. So it will give you more information. So this is how you can also check their website, by the way, and connect with them on social media. So through program, you can basically find amazing programs. You can connect with them, start promoting them, get the tracking links and accordingly. Now let's talk about this create a link that we capped it before. So when you click on create a link, and if you have been approved by even one program, then you will see this cool looking widget. From here, you can select your project, then the program, then put any link from the brand's website. And if you want, you can put sub ID and it will automatically create a tracking link for you that you can start promoting them using which, because if you try to just use this link, it won't work. It won't track any commission for you. So you can just copy this tracking link and start promoting them this way. All right, then let's move to reports. So you have been applying to these amazing programs and you got your approval, but where would you see your performance? So for that, you can click on reports. Within summary, you would be able to see your performance. You could use filters by date range, by group, like you can run it for days, months, sub ID, user country as well. Like you want to see how much your performance coming from which country, use this one. You can check it by device type or the project as well. You can then even use the program, and then device tab as well, user country and project. You can use this filters and run the reports accordingly. Then comes action. So as I said, actions would be any sort of action being done by the users. If these users through your tracking links made purchase on the brand's website, or probably had booked a hotel or something, you would be able to see it in here. You would also be able to see the status. For example, if you see the status of an action as pending, that means the action happened, but it's yet to be approved by brand. And if you see it paid, that means the brand already had approved it and had made the payment of that specific action to Travel Payouts, and Travel Payouts will issue the payment to you. And if you see it canceled, that means brand checked it and for some reason they had declined the commission for that specific sale. So you would be able to see. And then comes refer. So all the people that you have referred, you would be able to see them listed in here. It will be a quick state for you. Of course, you won't be able to see all the details, but still you would be able to see some related information that could at least let you see that how many refers that you have brought to Travel Payouts. Then comes the finance section. So you can click on finance, and over here, this is a place where you would be able to see your balance history. And if you click on payments, you would be able to see the payment history of the payments that's being issued to you. So the first thing you should be doing is, of course, there would be time when you promote these brands, you will start generating commission. So you have to set your payment method. For that, you can click on payment details. And when you do that, it will ask you to select the country of residency. For example, if I select United States of America, I can select from PayPal, WebMoney, bank account, or bank account euro. It's totally up to me. Since I'm from India, so what if I select India? Then I get probably less option, or it's the same option for me as well. So depending on your country of residence, you would see different option. For example, if I got a PayPal account, I can click here and I can add the information here. So it will ask for my name and PayPal email. So similar to what you select in here, you have to look for these information as well. For PayPal, minimum payout is $50. That means travel payouts will not issue the payment to you unless you achieve or you have exceeded this as your balance. With web money, it's just $10, and with bank accounts, $400. So, and this could change depending on the country of residence as well. That's another thing to keep in mind. Now, if you click on payments again, there was one more thing. You will receive payments for the previous month between 11 and 20 day of the current month. So whatever you have on in the previous month, expected to be delivered between the 11th to 20th date of the month. Then remember that each payment method has a minimum payout as we looked at it. All right, then comes tools. So you can click on tools, and these are some amazing tools that they have travel payouts for you. Money script is amazing. Think of it this way. You have these brands websites or links directly on your website, and you don't want to change it. What if there could be a script that you probably integrate on your website and which will automatically turn normal links to your tracking link? Would that be amazing? So that's what money script is. So you can click on how to set it up and learn more about it. Since this is one of the advanced tools, I'm not going to cover. And from this section, anyways, I'm going to cover only a few because most of them are very advanced. So you can always click on this referencing button and to get more information. Then comes widget. So you have an option to add search form, an excursion widget, a cheap tours calendar, and other widget to your website, which just allows users to immediately find services. Have you ever seen the search widgets? Like you go to some website and you put in some details and directly it shows the result. So those amazing, those cool looking widgets you would be able to see, like the affiliate program who got the widgets. For example, if I click here, affiliate program with widgets, it will take me to the program section and it will show me all those brands who are providing widgets. Now, keep in mind, not every brand is providing widget. So booking.com is among one that they are providing. So I can click on details, I can click on tools, and in widget, you see they're providing this search functionality where the person can put destination name, check-in date, and checkout date and search. So, widget could be like that. Of course, it would differ from one brand to another. So you could always, or rather one program to another. So you can always come to the programs. You can look at the brand's profile and learn more about it. Okay, let's go back to the tools again. So over here, you can click on links and affiliate program with links, the affiliate programs who are providing links. So you can explore that. Then comes white label as well. So this is, as I said, white label, workplace plugin, API. These are advanced functionalities. So you can click on this button and learn more about it. Then come data files, mobile apps as well. These are among those advanced levels as well. So go to the knowledge base, read about it, and if you think that's good for you, you can use it. Then comes the banner links. So the brands who are providing banner links, you can search for those as well. Just click here and it will take you to those affiliate programs. Right. Then we got Academy. Now this is amazing. I really like and I love those kind of affiliate networks that focus on educating their affiliates. And this is what the target of travel payouts as well. So over here, you get to learn about travel payouts. It's basically the 101, and then partnering with travel payouts. You can even learn about SEO. You can learn about how to monetize your content and then how to make money as a content creator. Now, all this, and that's for free. Isn't that amazing? So you can come and you can learn on their platform. That's for free. Not just that, are we forgetting something? Of course we are. That bonuses as well. Now, who doesn't like bonuses? So over here you can see what's they have in store as bonus for you. So you can come to the section and you can see they got 10,000 bonus credits for Jasper. Now, what is Jasper? Jasper is a great content creation tool and very costly out there, and you will be getting 10,000 bonus credits for it. And then you'll be getting this as well, which is turn your block into profitable business. And then save $60 off your first year on trust year affiliate, which is link blocking tool. So you can see, and whichever bonus that you like, you could go with it. Even with Hostinger, they're providing 7% off web hosting plans, plus you get free SSL as well. So see, whatever you like, you can get avail the bonus of it. Just click on get the bonus or probably get the free code and then avail it. It should work for you. So and this is how you can use the entire dashboard of travel payouts. You create an account, you go to programs. First you create an account, you definitely update your profile. Then you go to programs, you apply to the all the amazing programs, you get the approval, create links, start promoting them. And then what if you want to come to the dashboard again? How can you log in to the dashboard again? For that, you can come to the website travelpayouts.com, and you can click on login, which should take you to the login page, enter the details, and then it will take you back to the dashboard. So this is how you can use Travel Payouts affiliate dashboard. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in using your Travel Payouts affiliate dashboard. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing that you want me to cover in form of video, let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to create a video on it. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.